3751 heads a mixed train of passenger and freight cars from San Bernardino to Hobart Yard in Los Angeles. The locomotive performed exceptionally well during its 60-mile trip. A week after its successful test run, 3751 was ready to pull its first passenger excursion, named the California Limited. The train made a 4-day trip from Los Angeles via Barstow to Bakersfield and return. Here, the locomotive runs through Pasadena on its way to Union Station to begin the journey. The train is traveling on Santa Fe trackage that would later be turned over to MTA's Gold Line light rail system. 3751 proved its worthiness in a stellar performance on its first excursion. A greater challenge was devised the following year.